Hi everyone, what's poppin'? It's your girl Fabulous Nappy and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in again. See what? Oh my god. I didn't even brush my brows and I started recording. You know what? I'm gonna just rewind that. Hi Nappy Beauty, it's your girl Fabulous Nappy and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in again. If it's your first time here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell right beside it to turn on your post notifications so that each time I post a new video, you'll be notified and can come and watch. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? How you doing? Thank you for tuning in again. Okay, so in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I will be getting this braids going. You know, I'm just gonna get the braid in-ish thing. I don't know how to put it, but anyways, I'm gonna be doing my braids today. Cornrows, just regular cornrows. Okay, so I've had these ones on for about, I think it's 2 weeks, and well, it wasn't really dirty, but I had some itching going on, so I just co-washed it right now, and it's still cold, it's still damp, and I decided to, you know, redo the braids while it's still in this condition so that I can re-moisturize. Okay, so I just co-washed with water and conditioner, and that was it. That was all. It wasn't really dirty, like I said. I just needed to refresh the braids, and I always like to start on clean hair, even though this one isn't completely clean, but it wasn't completely dirty in the first place, so okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I'm just gonna undo each one and redo it because I'm still gonna maintain the same 6 braids, so there's no point on doing everything and then struggle with parting. Okay, so in today's video I will be moisturizing. I already have water in my hair, so I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner from Cornrows, the moisture milk, rice milk and macadamia oil leave-in conditioner. I tend to be very heavy-handed, so I'm just gonna try as much as possible not to overdo it because I don't want no product buildup. Okay, is this small? I think it's small. All right. Yep, I think this should do it. Nope, I definitely think it's small. I'm gonna add in a little bit more, just a little bit more. You know what, on second thought, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So work it in, work it in. Yes, my hair is getting long. Okay, next I am going to go in with my Blue Magic Originals Indian hemp oil. About that much. Sorry, the lighting is not the best, but it's not much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in to detangle with my white tooth comb, detangle from the roots, from the ends rather, working my way up to the roots. And just so you know, I have a mirror in front of me right here, so if you see me looking that way, just know I'm looking at the mirror. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Okay, so I feel like that has been properly detangled. I'm just gonna go in with my itsy bitsy tiny comb just to brush up the tiny hairs in the front. Okay, so I really don't know how to explain this, but I'ma just do it and hopefully you understand, okay? Okay, so I'm all done. All right, so right now I'm going to go in with some aloe vera oil. Please don't mind the container. It was for sweet almond oil, and then it got empty, so I just turned it in here. So my aloe vera oil, I am going to apply it to my scalp. I'm just gonna use, I poured some, I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply it on my scalp. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Please be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Also comment down below, do you usually do your braids yourself? Would you try to do it yourself? Just let me know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel as well. I post videos, or I try to post videos every week, even though most weeks I'm unsuccessful, but I just get really busy, school and all. So please subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell beside it to turn on your post notifications, so that each time I upload a new video you will be notified and you can come and check it out. Okay, so also share this video, please share this video. So beauties, that's it. You take care of yourself. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ooh, I got some of that on my lips. Bye guys.